Just booked my tickets for Vizag for 21st July. It's 2 weeks from today. It's 16th, which means I have to start packing today. There's no escaping it.
And this was the extent of my packing on day one. By the way, the previous day was my last working day, so I was working until midnight. And by working, I mean I was sending out nice emails and stuff. Day two wasn't great either in terms of packing. I had a lot of messages and emails coming in that I had to respond to because I had just left work during a lockdown, so I couldn't meet anyone, couldn't say goodbyes to anyone in person. Also, a friend of mine came to visit me when she got to know that I was leaving Bombay for good, so I wanted to make her something nice, and that kept me busy almost the entire day.
It's Saturday. Movers and packers people are coming on Monday. I'm flying on Tuesday morning and I've packed nothing, not a needle. Scared.
Packing was a slightly complicated process because I was trying to keep my costs as low as possible. I was sending most of my stuff through movers and packers who were charging me per kg. And then I had some free weight limit on my flight, so I was trying to make sure that I utilized my free weight limit as much as possible.
This is the status of my packing right now. How the fuck did I gain so much stuff? I have no idea. Everything is still there in its places. So, Movers and Packers team is coming tomorrow, and this is where I am with packing, and there's a lot in the room as well. Yeah, whenever I have to make these big moves, like packing my life, and when there's a lot that is to be done, a lot of decisions to be taken, I tend to get overwhelmed. That is what is happening now. Don't feel I can't function. It's 3:30 nearly. I've made some progress, but I'm not done yet. So I hope I can finish this tomorrow morning. Movers and Packers team is coming in the afternoon. Oh my god, this is stressful. just got the print of the e-pass that I need to enter Andhra Pradesh and print of my boarding pass. Yeah. Yeah, because on multiple platforms it says that for Air India it's mandatory to have a printout of the boarding pass. So I got that, and in 3 hours, moves and packers are going to come. Yeah, I think I'm panicking a little bit because I'm not done packing yet.
This was in July, so coronavirus was supposed to be airborne then. I don't know what is the status now. But yeah, I was too afraid to have anyone at home, which is why I took all my luggage by myself downstairs, 2 flights of stairs. There was no lift in my apartment, to the Movers and Packers truck, and I was done. Right after that, I also managed to find some time to find food because all the stores around my apartment were closed. It was still locked down, partial lockdown. Yeah, there was no time to order food, and everything was packed, so I couldn't eat all day.
Just sent most of my stuff to Movers and Packers. Now it's arranging my backpack and day bag, which I'm going to carry with me on the plane. I did it! Okay, almost did it. Still have my scooty to take care of. Okay, bye! It's 10 p.m. and I just got done with things. Yeah, I was able to get my scooty sent to Isaac. Had to make that last moment decision because I couldn't sell my bike. It has APA registration, so it was slightly more complicated. Yeah, so now I just have to pack these things in my 2 bags now, and then I'll be done on my way home. And this is my near empty apartment. All set for tomorrow. Just a few things to stuff. That's my backpack and its flight cover. Few devices charging. Empty. That's it. My cab is here. It's 6:05. I have to leave. You shut down. See you on the other side.